Rent plastic chairs for banquets. Holding a banquet can be a very complicated piece of work. However, a banquet is always special not just because of what it is for but also because of the people invited. This is why some people ponder on hiring the services of people who have made organizing banquets a profession. These usually include entertainers, food caterers, waiters, and ushers. The motive, of course, is to impress the guests. These would be for naught though if they have to sit on uncomfortable and unattractive chairs throughout the feast. You cannot allow that to happen, so you should also make sure that appropriate furniture is provided. For affordability, you can have plastic chairs. You should not spend money for something you are going to use for just one occasion. These banquet chairs, especially the elegant-looking ones, can be quite expensive to buy. Renting is the option. Here are some points to consider in doing it. Decide first on your banquet's motif and location. This is important because it, naturally, is the basis in choosing the design of the furniture you will need. The location is also necessary in choosing the kind of chairs. For example, outdoor banquets may require lighter plastic furniture. In addition, poolside dinner parties may have designs much different from those held at a garden or lawn. Confirm the number of guests to be invited. This does not mean that the number of chairs and tables you are going to rent will be equal to the people expected. You will have to put several sets on standby just in case more people come in. You should not anticipate gate crashers, but it is always better to prepared, at least, with a dozen or more plastic stools. The common ways of searching for companies that offer chair rental services are by using the yellow pages and by browsing the internet. The good thing about the latter is that you can actually look at the designs of the chairs in the company's website galleries. The variety of styles and make is wide, from those simple monoblock ones to the more sophisticated Eames Eiffel types. Whether you are directly calling a number or using the internet to rent your plastic banquet furniture, you should be ready with your specifications. Supply the rental service with enough information about your banquet's furniture needs. These people are experts and they will just be more than happy to assist you with your choices. Most rental services also offer accessories to enhance your banquet furniture's presentation, such as covers for chairs and plastic tables. Ask them if they have any so you can also make your choice of colors to match your banquet's theme. Finally, Make sure that your rented plastic chairs and tables are delivered at least 3 hours before your banquet starts. This will give you enough time to arrange them. Always consider the rental service's reputation in the promptness of their deliveries.